Salman Khan. Abdul Rashid Salim Salman Khan is an Indian actor, film producer, and television personality known for his work in Hindi films. He has received numerous awards, including to National Film Awards as a film producer and to Filmfare Awards as an actor. Khan is considered one of the most commercially successful actors of Indian cinema and has starred in the annual highest-grossing Hindi film of 10 individual years. His acting career began with a supporting role in Biwi Ho To Aisi in 1988, followed by a leading role in Maine Pyar Kiya in 1989. Khan established himself in the 1990s with several commercially successful films, including Hum Aapke Hai Kaun, Hum Saath Saath Hai, Karan Arjun, and Biwi No. 1. In the 2010s he achieved greater stardom with top-grossing action films Wanted, Dabangg, Ready, Bodyguard, Ek Tha Tiger, Dabangg 2, Kick, Tiger Zinda Hai, and dramas like Bajrangi Bhaijaan and Sultan. Khan is also a television presenter and promotes humanitarian causes through his charity, Being Human Foundation. Early life and ancestry. Salman Khan, an actor, was born on 27 December 1965 to a Muslim father and Hindu mother. He was raised in both faiths, but the relationship between his children grew hostile when Salim married actress Helen in 1981. His paternal great-grandparents were believed to be Alkozai Pashtuns from Afghanistan who immigrated to Indore state, British India in the mid-1800s. His grandfather Abdul Rashid Khan was a Deputy Inspector General of the Indore state and was awarded the Dilia Jung Award. His mother is a homemaker, with a father from Jammu and a Marathi mother from Maharashtra. Khan has two brothers, Arbaz Khan and Sohail Khan, and two sisters, Alvira Khan Agnihotri and an adopted sister Arpita. He completed his schooling at St. Stanislaus High School in Bandra, Mumbai, and attended St. Xavier's College in Mumbai but dropped out. Career. Salman Khan made his acting debut in 1988 with Biwi Ho To Aisi and played the lead role in Suraj Parjatya's romantic family drama Maine Pyar Kiya, 1989, which became one of the highest-grossing Indian films at the time. He later co-starred with Sanjay Dutt and Madhuri Dixit in the romantic drama Sajan. In 1992, Khan appeared in Suryavanshi, Jagriti, Nishchay, and Ek Ladka Ek Ladki, but all four films failed at the box office. From 1994 to 1999, Khan established himself as an actor with Hum Aapke Hai Kaun and other films. In 1994, Khan appeared in Rajkumar Santoshi's Andaz Apna Apna, co-starring Aamir Khan, and later collaborated with director Suraj Parjatya in Hum Aapke Hai Kaun, co-starring Madhuri Dixit. The film won 3 Filmfare Awards for Best Film, Best Director, and Best Actress, earning more than ₹2 billion, $63.8 million, worldwide. In 1995, Khan starred in Rakesh Roshan's Karan Arjun alongside Shah Rukh Khan, earning him a nomination for the 1995 Filmfare Best Actor Award. In 1996, he performed in Sanjay Leela Bhansali's directional debut Khamoshi, the musical, and Raj Kanwar's action hit Jeet. Khan worked in 5 different films in 1998, including Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya, Jab Pyar Kisi Se Hota Hai, and Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, earning him another Best Actor nomination at the Filmfare Awards. His performance in these films was reviewed favorably, with Sharmila Telikum of Rediff noting that Khan is endearing in both dramatic and romantic scenes. From 2000 to 2009, Khan had sporadic success, appearing in Chori Chori Chupke Chupke, which addressed the issue of surrogate childbirth. In 2002, he starred in Hum Tumhare Hai Sanam, earning critical acclaim and a second Filmfare Award under the Best Supporting Actor category. In 2007, Khan started with the ensemble film Salami Ishq and appeared in the Hollywood movie Marigold, which told the love story of an Indian man and an American woman. He hosted the second season of the game show 10 Ka Dum during 2009, earning enough target rating points for Sony Entertainment Television to regain its third position in the Indian television ratings. Salman Khan's career began in 2010 with the release of Veer, followed by Dabangg in 2010. The film was noted for its commercial success, with Khan receiving several awards and nominations. In 2011, he released Ready, a remake of the 2008 Telugu film of the same name. In 2012, Khan starred in Ek Tha Tiger, a film that gained popularity due to his role as an Indian spy. In 2014, Khan released Jai Ho, a remake of Stalin, and Kick, a remake of a Telugu film. In 2015, Bajrangi Bhaijaan, directed by Ali Abbas Jafar, broke several box office records, grossing 1.84 billion rupees, $28.68 million on its first week. This was Khan's first and second Bollywood film after PK to enter the 300 club, with a collection of over 6 billion. In 2016, Khan appeared in Sultan, directed by Ali Abbas Jafar for Yash Raj Films, which grossed 365 million rupees, $5.43 million on its opening day. However, it failed to do well at the box office. Khan's second release, Tiger Zinda Hai, grossed 190 crore rupees worldwide in its opening weekend. As of 23 January 2018, the film has grossed 5.52 billion rupees, $84.76 million worldwide. Khan's career fluctuated from 2018 to present. In 2018, he played the leading role in Race 3, an action film with an ensemble cast including Anil Kapoor, Bobby Deol, Jacqueline Fernandez, and others. The film was critically panned for its storyline, weak performances, and climax. Khan starred in Bharat and Dabangg 3 in 2019, but both flopped commercially. He also starred in Kick 2 and Radhe, but both received mixed reviews. His next film, Antim, The Final Truth, received mixed reviews but was well appreciated but turned out to be a box office flop. Khan made a cameo in Pathaan, reprising his role as Tiger, and starred in Kisi Ka Bhai Kisi Ki Jaan, a remake of Viram. However, the movie received mixed reviews and was another box office flop for Khan. Other works. Salman Khan, a Bollywood actor, has made significant contributions to the entertainment industry through his production company, SKBH Productions, Salman Khan being Human Productions. His first film under this banner was Chiller Party, which won 3 national awards for Best Children's Film, Best Original Screenplay, and Child Artists Award. In 2014, he launched another production house called SKF, Salman Khan Films, which released the Canadian film Dr. Kabhi, Hero, and Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Khan hosted Ten Ka Dum in 2008, which was highly popular and helped Sony TV regain its third position in Indian television ratings. He also hosted Bigg Boss 4 in 2010, which received an average TVR of 2.81 and a peak rating of 4.5. Khan hosted Bigg Boss 5 along with Sanjay Dutt in 2011 and hosted Bigg Boss 6 and 7 in 2012 and 2013. In 2013, Khan hosted the Star Guild Award for the first time. Khan has also been associated with various brands, including Kempa Cola, Limca Soft Drink, Hero Honda Bikes, and Double Bull Shirts. He has also been signed as a brand ambassador for Thumbs Up, Mountain Dew, Pepsi, Yatra, History Channel, Suzuki Motorcycles, Red Tape Shoes, Relaxo Hawaii, detergent brand Wheel, Clawmint, jewelry brand Sangeeni, Innerwear brand Dixie Scott, BlackBerry Playbook, Britannia's Tiger Biscuits, Ranbaxy's Revital, Rotamac Pen, and SF Sonic batteries. In business, Khan made a significant investment in the property sector in 2012 when he purchased a commercial property on Linking Road for approximately 120 crore Indian rupee. The property became the location for Future Retail's food hall in 2017, but a legal dispute arose due to non-payment of dues. In 2023, Food Square, a luxury gourmet retail brand owned by Landcraft Retail Private Limited, leased the property for a monthly fee of 1 crore Indian rupees. Philanthropy and service. Salman Khan, a renowned Indian actor, has been involved in various charities throughout his career. He founded the Being Human NGO, which sells t-shirts and other products to support the underprivileged. Khan also established the Being Human Foundation, a registered charitable trust with two focus areas, education and healthcare. Khan launched his production company, SKBH Productions, in 2011, which generated revenue from film productions to support the foundation. His first film, Chiller Party, won 3 national awards for Best Children's Film, Best Original Screenplay, and Child Artists Award. In 2012, Khan offered to pay 4 million rupee to release 400 prisoners from 63 prisons in Uttar Pradesh via his NGO. The prisoners were unable to pay legal fines due to economic reasons. In 2015, Khan offered to donate the profits of his film Bajrangi Bhaijaan to poor farmers across India. The film's producers, Khan and Rockline Venkatesh, agreed to donate the profits. Khan was invited by India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi to promote cleanliness and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in 2014, and in 2016, he agreed to campaign for cleanliness and eradicating open defecation for the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation. His efforts to clean the streets of Karjat, a small town near Mumbai, were appreciated by the Prime Minister. Personal life. Khan resides in Galaxy Apartments, Bandra, Mumbai. He also has a 150-acre plot in Panvel which has 3 bungalows, a swimming pool and a gym. He is a fitness enthusiast and maintains a strict regimen. Khan has never married. In 1999, he began dating Bollywood actress Aishwarya Rai. Their relationship was often reported in the media until the couple separated in 2001. Khan started dating actress Katrina Kaif. After years of speculations, Kaif admitted in an interview in 2011 that she had been in a serious relationship with Khan for several years, but it ended in 2010. Sangeeta Bijlani and Sami Ali were also in serious relationships with Khan. Since 2012, Khan is in a relationship with Romanian actress Iulia Vantur. In August 2011, Khan admitted that he suffers from trigeminal neuralgia, a facial nerve disorder commonly known as the suicide disease. The disorder occurs due to the inflammation of trigeminal nerve in the face. In an interview, he said that he has been quietly suffering from it for the past 7 years, but now the pain has become unbearable. He said that it has even affected his voice, making it much harsher. Khan identifies as both Muslim and Hindu, commenting that, "I'm Hindu and Muslim both. I'm Bharatiya, an Indian." He explained, "My father is Muslim and my mother is Hindu." In the media, Salman Khan's name is often shortened to SK in the media, also reflected in the name of his gym brand, SK27 Gym, and his film company SKF, Salman Khan Films. He is also known by his nickname, Bhai or Bhaijaan, meaning brother, referenced in the title of his films Bajrangi Bhaijaan, 2015, and Kisi Ka Bhai Kisi Ki Jaan, 2023. In 2004, Khan was ranked as the 7th best-looking man in the world by People magazine of the USA. In 2008, his lifelike wax statue was installed in London's Madame Tussauds Museum. Likewise, in 2012, another wax statue of him was installed in Madame Tussauds New York Museum. In 2010, People magazine, India declared him the sexiest man alive. In 2011, 2012 and 2013 he was declared the Times of India's most desirable man in second, first and third place respectively. In August 2013 he was declared India's most searched celebrity online. Khan topped the Forbes India charts for 2014 in terms of both fame and revenues. According to the Forbes 2015 list, Celebrity 100, the world's top-paid entertainers 2015, Khan was the highest-ranked Indian in the 71st rank with earnings of $33.5 million. Khan was ranked 7th in Forbes' first global list of highest paid actors in the world, with earnings of $33.5 million, which placed him higher than such Hollywood actors as Johnny Depp, Brad Pitt, Leonardo DiCaprio and Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. In 2015, he was ranked ahead of US President Barack Obama in the list of the most admired personalities of India. In September 2015, the International Business Times declared him the most attractive personality in India. He also became the only actor to collect over 5 billion rupees, $77.94 million, domestic net in a single year in India. Khan was ranked the second most Googled Indian of 2015 and first among Bollywood actors. On 24 April 2016, the Indian Olympic Association appointed the actor as the Indian Olympic contingent's Goodwill Ambassador for the 2016 Summer Olympics. In August 2017, he was identified as the 9th highest paid actor in the world and the first place highest paid in India according to Forbes India. Controversies. Salman Khan was arrested in 2002 for a hit-and-run accident in Mumbai. He was later charged with culpable homicide and later found guilty of all charges in the case. The Bombay Sessions Court concluded that Khan was driving under the influence of alcohol, causing the death of one person and serious injury to 4 homeless persons. Khan's driver, Ashok Singh, was charged with perjury for misguiding the court with false testimony and was arrested. In December 2015, Khan was acquitted of all charges due to lack of evidence. The Supreme Court admitted a plea by the Maharashtra government that challenged the acquittal of Salman Khan in this hit-and-run case by the Bombay High Court. The court refused to fast-track the case. Khan's relationship with actress Aishwarya Rai was a well-publicized topic in the Indian media. After their breakup in March 2002, Rai accused him of harassing her. In 2003, Vivek Oberoi, Rai's then-boyfriend, claimed that Khan had threatened him. In 2005, news outlets released an illicit copy of a mobile phone call recorded in 2001 by the Mumbai police, which appeared to be a threat in an effort to force her to appear at social events held by Mumbai crime figures. However, the alleged tape was tested in the government's forensic lab in Chandigarh, which concluded that it was fake. In 2006, Khan was sentenced to 1 year in prison for hunting chinkara, an endangered species. On 10 April 2006, he was handed a 5-year jail term and remanded to Jodhpur jail until 13 April when he was granted bail. On 24 July 2012, the Rajasthan High Court finalized charges against Khan and his other colleagues in the endangered blackbuck killing case. On 9 July 2014, the Supreme Court issued a notice to Khan on the Rajasthan government's plea challenging the High Court order suspending his conviction. On 18 October 2016, the Rajasthan government approached the Supreme Court to challenge Khan's acquittal in 2 related cases. On 18 January 2017, Khan was acquitted by a Jodhpur court in an Arms Act case linked to the killing of a blackbuck in Rajasthan. On 5 April 2018, the Jodhpur court convicted Khan in the blackbuck poaching case and sentenced him to 5 years imprisonment while acquitting Saif Ali Khan, Sonali Bendre, Neelam, and Tabu. Khan was released on bail on 7 April 2018, pending appeal. On 14 April 2024, 2 members of the Bishnoi gang opened fire on Khan's apartment in Bandra, Mumbai, before fleeing on a motorcycle. The gunmen were later arrested in Gujarat. In 2010, actor Salman Khan claimed that the 26/11 attacks gained attention due to the elite being targeted, stating that Pakistan was not to be blamed for the attacks and that Indian security had failed. This statement was met with strong reactions from political parties like Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra Chhagan Bhujbal, Shiv Sena, and BJP. Khan later apologized for his comments. In July 2015, Khan made several tweets supporting the 1993 Bombay bombings, accusing Yaqoob Memon of the bombings and asking the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Nawaz Sharif, to confirm the mob boss's presence in Pakistan. These tweets sparked protests outside Khan's house and were criticized by his father, Salim Khan. Khan withdrew his tweets and apologized. Following the death of Sushant Singh Rajput by hanging, actress Jia Khan's mother, Rabia Amin, revealed that Salman Khan had attempted to influence the case of Suraj Pancholi, where accusations for abetment of suicide were charged against him. A CBI officer told Rabia Amin that Salman Khan called him daily to ask him not to harass or touch Pancholi, as a lot of money was invested in him.